Hello students, in this video I'll discuss difference between conduction, convection and radiation. So first one, conduction. Medium is necessary for transfer of heat by conduction. So in case of conduction you need one medium. Second one is convection. Medium is necessary for transfer of heat by convection. So you need medium in case of conduction, you need medium in convection, but you don't need medium. No medium is required for transfer of heat by radiation. You have to remember this difference between conduction, convection and radiation. Second one, conduction is not possible in vacuum because of in vacuum there is no medium. Convection is not possible in vacuum. Why vacuum? It is not possible. Conduction and convection both in vacuum because of there is no medium. Radiation is possible in vacuum. It is possible. It is possible in vacuum. Why? Because of in the radiation you don't need any medium to transfer of heat. 3 number, the particles of the medium do not leave their mean position. They transfer heat by vibrating about their mean position. Convection, the particle of medium leave their mean positions and move in upward direction, carrying heat from the source. And in radiation, the medium remains unaffected. That means as we don't need any medium in radiation, so medium will not affect. 4 number, the transfer of heat can be any direction in case of conduction, in this way, in this way, in this way, any direction it may be. But in case of radiation, convection, transfer of heat only vertically upwards. So in this direction, convection means transfer of heat will take place in case of convection. But in radiation, transfer of heat is in all direction along a straight path. That means in case of radiation, the direction may be different. 5 number, the process is slow. This process is conduction. The process is slow. The process is faster than conduction. So it is very much slow. It is faster than conduction, but the process in case of radiation, the process is the fastest and transfer of heat takes place with the speed of light. So this is very important. In case of radiation, the transfer of heat will take place at the speed of light. So these are the common difference between conduction, convection and radiation. You have to understand all the differences and you have to remember also. Thank you all.